In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80244o1c on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Right-click on the Start button, select Settings, click System on the left pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations on fixing the issue. After running it, right-click at the Start button. Shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then right-click at the Start button, select Terminal Admin. Click Yes. Then type SFC space / scan now. SFC space / scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin. So simply wait for the process to be done. After running the SFC scan, copy the second command, which is a DISM scan. All these commands will be posted in the description box below. So after you have run the two commands, right-click again at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then right-click at the Start button again, select Terminal Admin. Click Yes. And then copy all these commands to reset the Windows Update components, which will be posted in the description box below. So simply copy and wait for the process to be done. So once the process is done, again, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.